Hi everyone, Barlito Lape at Lifestyle Projects and Gardening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, how to save spinach seeds. Let's get started. Spinach is a cool crops. So they like 40 to 60, 40 to 60 degrees. And when it goes up to 80, 90, 100, they start getting bolt and produce seeds. As you can see it here, they're getting taller now and you don't see much leaves. Mostly the leaves now are so small, you can see, because the energy are not producing leaves anymore. The energy goes to the seeds. So as you got closer here, I don't know if you could see it, some of them are green still, some of them are dry. Just like this, they're actually dry, and this one is really dry. So let's cut one of this. I'm just gonna cut it, the base, and see if there's a seeds in here, because these are dry now. We're not gonna harvest the green. We're gonna let this dry. Here's the box, and we're just gonna take the seeds out. Maybe you could see the seeds, they're still green, but I'm just gonna give you an example right now. These are the seeds, spinach seeds. So they're producing seeds now. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just take this one by one and then dry them here, the seeds. They're still green right now, so this is a lot of seeds right here, and we could replant these seeds again this year and next year. So we're gonna dry this thing, leave it here until they're dry. So this is just an example how to save your seeds. For now, I rather leave this thing until right now they're still green. So I let them dry, everything, the seeds dry and all of this. I can't harvest it right now because you still have to dry them, and we could only actually pick the thing that it's already been dry, like let's say this one. See, this is totally dry. You can see it here. We have so many here, so maybe this one, it takes maybe another 2 weeks or whatever, 3 weeks to dry, and pretty sure that there's a lot of seeds on this spinach right here because their season is done. Save your seed so you can replant next year. You can replant this year and next year. That's very simple. And yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you're not a subscriber, please like and subscribe. Give a thumbs up to help my channel, and we will see you for the next video.